Securing large and heavy loads should never feel uncertain, and these heavy-duty ratchet straps are designed to deliver confidence from the first pull. Built for demanding tasks at home, on the job, or outdoors, they combine strength, control, and durability in a design that performs when it matters most. Whether you are tying down equipment, outdoor structures, or bulky cargo, these straps are made to hold firm under pressure. The ratchet handles feature rubberized grips that provide a comfortable, non-slip hold, making tensioning easier and more controlled even during longer use. Heat-treated steel hooks add dependable strength at critical connection points, while the vinyl coating helps protect both the hooks and the surfaces they attach to. This thoughtful combination enhances durability while reducing the risk of scratches or wear during repeated use. Designed for large and heavy loads, the webbing offers high resistance to abrasions, tearing, and punctures. It is also built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, remaining resistant to weather, UV exposure, and moisture. With up to 50% higher resistance compared to standard webbing, these straps are well suited for long-term outdoor applications where reliability cannot be compromised. Real-world users highlight the strong and sturdy feel once in use, noting that while first-time users may need a moment to get familiar with the ratcheting motion, operation quickly becomes simple and intuitive. Many customers successfully use these straps to secure items like trampolines, equipment, and heavy cargo, reporting stable performance even in challenging conditions. If you are looking for dependable ratchet straps that combine rugged materials with practical design, this set is a smart addition to your gear. Check the link in the video description to see current availability and details, and subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable tools and everyday solutions for work and home.